Hello friends, this is Sajil Ahmed and welcome to another fun episode. And today I will show you that how to make anything into gold using Photoshop. And I hope you like this effect, and if you like this effect, so please subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we are in our Photoshop, and first of all I will open my image by pressing Ctrl Command O, and I will select this image. You can see this football, and I will decrease its size a little bit, and I think this is sufficient. It looks much better. So I will double click on this, and this is the layer 0, and now I will go to the adjustment layer and select solid color. Here I will select the gray color, light gray or dark layer like this. I think it's better, and select OK and keep this layer down the 0 layer. And now I will select the 0 layer and make the duplicate of this layer and convert it into black and white by pressing Ctrl Shift Command U. And you can see this is black and white. I will zoom it to show you the result. Look, this is real and this is black and white. Okay, I will zoom out, and now I will again duplicate this layer and invert it by pressing Ctrl Command I like this, and go to the layer settings and select the difference. It looks like this. And now I will merge these two layers by pressing Ctrl Command E and duplicate this layer again like this. And this time I will again invert this image by pressing Ctrl Command I, and again go to the layer settings and select difference. And again I will merge these two layers by pressing Ctrl Command E, and this time you can see this is our real image. And I will select this layer and go to the adjustment layers and select the color balance. Make sure clipping mask will be on. And now I will decrease the value of yellow. I think this is sufficient for this. Okay, now I will select the shadows and again decrease the value of yellow. This. And now I will select the highlights, and again I will decrease the value of yellow. I think 49 is sufficient. And now I will select the adjustment layer and go to the levels to enhance my image. I will decrease like this. You can select your effects according to your taste, and I will again go to the adjustment layers and select the vibrance, and I will increase the vibrance. Make sure the clipping mask will be on. So 21 is sufficient for this. Now you can see this, our golden effect is complete, and we have to convert this football into gold. And now you can see this is very easy and very interesting effect in Photoshop. And I hope you like this video, and if you like this, so please subscribe, like this video and stay with us.